Hi, this is Victor at Victor Driving School. I wanted to explain a bit about what's going to happen during your first driving lesson. During your first driving lesson, what would happen is that I'll pick you up from a agreed pickup address. From there, we're going to go to a safe place. If it does happen that the pickup address is in a safe place, maybe you can start from there. But sometimes it could be the case that maybe you don't want to be watched by somebody that you know. So if that's inconvenient for you, I'll drive it down to a safe place. During the drive, make sure you look at what I'm doing with the controls. I'll probably be talking about it quite a bit anyway. I'll explain to you about the indicators, how I'm accelerating, how I'm braking, how I'm steering, maybe some routines. Anything from the MSM routine, which is mirrors signal maneuver, or the MSPSL routine, which is mirrors signal position speed look. So I'll be explaining each individual step that I'm doing when I'm driving, and hopefully that will get you more used to it. It's not something that you have to get used to in the first lesson. Our first lesson will be a lot about the controls of the car. So we'll talk about how to use the accelerator, how to brake, how to indicate, the steering, how you're supposed to use the steering properly, and we'll introduce the gears, things like, because we're doing an automatic car, we'll introduce park, reverse, neutral, drive. We'll also be introducing some of the other controls in the car. Anything from the front demister, the rear demister, how the aircon works. So they're kind of things to do. We'll also be talking about the cockpit drill, which is the steps that you do when you come inside the car to make sure that the seat and steering, the seat belt's on properly, and how to adjust the mirrors properly for when you're driving. So they're the kind of things that you'd be expecting in the first lesson. At some point, once we've introduced some of the controls, you should be able to do the moving off and parking up. So we'll introduce how to move off safely and making sure that you do all-round checks, including your blind spot checks, and how to find a safe place to park up. Normally, this would be somewhere that doesn't affect other road users. So we'll talk about legal places to park up. Hopefully, if time permits, we'll be doing lefts and right turns. So that's the kind of steps that you'll be doing through the first lesson. So I wouldn't worry too much about it. Don't forget you're in a safe environment. So just try and relax, and we'll help you as much as you can so for you to actually feel comfortable on the first lesson. You're not the first person to start from. Maybe you got experience, maybe you don't have experience, but as long as you keep yourself calm, then things work well. So we'll try and keep you relaxed as much as we can. Okay? Now, hope to see you soon, and I hope this video helps you feel a bit more relaxed before the first lesson. And yeah, we'll see you then.